Hi everyone. The 2020 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited is the most engaging and satisfying of Harley's touring range. High bars make for a more comfortable upright seating position than the Ultra Limited, while its handling is lighter thanks to having a frame-mounted rather than handlebar-mounted fairing. The Road Glide's shark nose bodywork feels more expansive and protective than the ultra-smaller batwing fairing too. On scenic twisting routes it's more agile than its extraordinary weight. Width and length suggest. On a motorway, the vast seat is plush, the ergonomics well-balanced and the windscreen protective. Pillions get armrests and their own stereo speakers, while the 132 liters of hard luggage storage is easily accessed. So long as your natural riding pace lines up with the Road Glide Limited's, you'll get along great with it. This is not a bike with multiple characters, speeds, temperaments and abilities. It likes to do what it likes to do, which is tick off big miles at a consistent pace. If you want to go slower, either through traffic or slaloming along tight twisty back roads, it'll feel big and clumsy. If you want to go faster, the power-to-weight ratio isn't great and you'll quickly use up those 31.8 degrees of lean before the footboards spark. But on the right roads, in the right mood, heading for the right destination with the right playlist blaring from the stereo, there isn't another bike on the planet that makes you feel as damn cool as a Road Glide Limited. The twin-cooled version of Harley-Davidson's Milwaukee-Eight 114, which means it's an 1,868cc V-twin packing a whopping 121 feet-pound of torque and 89 bhp. Refinement and smoothness are generations ahead of big Harleys from just a decade ago. Fueling from the ride-by-wire throttle is stutter-free, and at motorway speeds the lolloping long-stroke motor rumbles along gently at what feels like barely off tick-over. Crack the throttle open and it sounds sensational, but roll-on shunt is muted by tall gearing and the whopping 423 kilograms curb weight. Tons of gadgets included as standard. From touring treats like cruise control and heated grips to a new for 2020 package of lean-sensitive ride aids including cornering apps, traction control and electronic engine braking. New hill hold control is handy, but let down by the fact it doesn't function in neutral. Touchscreen infotainment, sat-nav, stereo, radio, phone connectivity and more is top class. New HD Connect system lets you check the bike's stats and status with a phone app and also doubles as a tracker if the bike gets stolen. The Harley-Davidson Road Glide Limited misses out on a fifth star for lacking high-tech comforts found on other ultra tourers such as semi-active suspension, push-button preload adjustment and a two-way quick shifter. Thanks for watching.